So next I'm going to give you a couple of tips for your jewellery making. The first one is opening jump rings. When I first started opening jump rings, I used to open them outwards like this, and then you end up, when you try to put them back together, you end up deforming the hoop, so your jump ring doesn't come back spherical. The best way to open your jump ring is to take one side by the top of your split in one set of pliers, and using another set of pliers, gently open the jump ring like a gate. This helps to keep the jump ring nice and spherical, so it keeps your work looking nice and neat. The next tip I have for you is when you're wire wrapping. So if you're wire wrapping with more than 2 wires, and you can even use this with 2 wires, a great way to stop your wires from getting tangled up is to create a little bend at the end. So when you add in your wires, you know which wires you're going around. Once you have all your wires in, splay the wires out so you can have the central one nice and straight and the ones at either side with a slight bend. You don't need to worry, as when you're wrapping, the tension of the wire will pull these wires back in, so it won't be splayed out in your final piece. But this does help to keep the wire from getting tangled up when you're working and keeps your wire work looking nice and neat.